Friends of the Zoo family membership makes the Kansas City Zoo affordable and fun every day of the year. Having a family membership allows you, your spouse, and all your children to experience the Kansas City Zoo, along with all its exhibits. Join Friends of the Zoo at the Kansas City Zoo.